Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you my today's setup on US30. I will show you how I have taken my entry and where I have booked my profit. First of all, I will show you I have taken my entry from this candle. I have taken a sell position and I have booked my profit here. Keep watching this video. I will be showing you why I have taken my entry here and why I have booked my profit here. What are the trading rules? I have devised my own system and there are 6 conditions attached to it. The first one is these are the two bands. This is the upper band and this is the lower band. From upper band we will look for the sell position and from the lower band we will look for the buy position. For this setup, as the price is approaching or crossing the upper band, we will look for sell position, and this is our first condition that for sell position price must be touching or above the upper band line. So first condition is met here. The second condition is that there must be red diamonds appeared at this level. So this is our level that here we are looking for a sell position. So there are 4 diamonds already appeared. This one first, second, third, and this one is the fourth one, which is our uh, targeted candle from where I have taken my trade at the close of this candle. This diamond has confirmed me my second condition. The third condition is that this is the momentum indicator and this is its central area, and for the third condition that the momentum indicator must not be far away from the central line. This is the central line, and for this candle you can see that the momentum indicator is about 0.4041 or 42 level, and actually I usually do not take entry above 0.40 level, but as it is very close to it, so I have taken entry here because there are already a lot of conditions met, and once I saw biggest bearish candle, so just a minor difference couldn't stop me for taking this entry. So for a sell position, I recommend you that the price must not be above than 0.40 level, because if it is above that level means price is moving very fast in the upward direction. There is a lot of momentum out there, and taking entry against the trend could be very risky and it could easily hit your SL. Now let's move to our fourth condition, that is there must be a diversion at this level. So this is our level. We have already met 3 conditions, and the fourth condition is that there must be a diversion. If I draw the lines, you can see that price is approaching higher or making a higher high. So, and if we look at the indicator, it is just making a low or just maintaining its trend. So clearly a bearish trend, bearish diversion out there. A bearish diversion means that the price is more likely to fall in the near future. So our fourth condition is also met here. Let's move to our fifth condition, which is for this long-term trend indicator. If we're looking for a sell position, then there must be red lines appear at this level. If we draw the lines, you can see that for this candle the long-term trend indicator is displaying the red lines, which means that it may be a very safe entry because we are taking entry with the trend, because it is a safe approach. But keep in mind that using my system, you may find very few entries, but these entries will be highly quality entries. I usually do not consider this thing, but if you wanted to add this confirmation in your trading setup, then it will increase your success ratio. So it is an optional one, and this is my fifth condition. And my sixth condition is that the last indicator is the final confirmation indicator. It must also turn red. As you can see that for this candle, these are the red lines which are already appearing here. So out of six conditions, we have confirmed that they are all met, or they are all in agreement at this level. So it will be our very strong trade, and I have taken my sell position here and I have booked my profit here. For TP, I recommend you to, once price touch to the opposite band, you can book your profit. And for SL, I recommend you to make the distance between these two bands and put your SL on here. If this distance is large, this distance is quite large, then I recommend you to measure the distance from the center line and take your put your SL here. There are multiple ways you can use your SL. If you can see that this is a long bearish candle, you can also put your SL on the above to this candle, but it is up to you. Be consistent with your approach. And for take profit level, I already told you that once price touches to the opposite band, you can book your profit. If price touch to the middle band, you can move your SL to the entry point to secure your position, and once it touches to the opposite band, you can book your profit. So this is our trading setup US30. You can also find this type of trading setup on gold today, and this is the setup. I have already marked this on the chart, and I have taken my entry from this candle and I have booked my profit here. Clearly a diversion out there, and all of the other conditions are also met. You can take your entry from this candle and you can book your profit here. So this is the video. I hope you like this video, and keep sharing this channel with other people. And if you wanted to discuss about this system, then you can reach out to me via my telegram channel. This is my telegram channel link. Keep in mind that this is a paid system. The price is $100, but currently I'm offering a 50% discount, so you can get this system for $50. I hope you like this video. Thank you.